Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I am going to show you how to remove background of an image. So let us see two examples. In my background I have two images. The first one, this one with black background, and the second one, this image. So we'll see how to remove the background of this image. The first thing what you are going to do, go for Google Chrome and search for remove.pg. Then after that, this window will pop up. In this window there is this upload option. Click on it and let us choose the first image, this one, and open it. Then we'll see how it looks, how it's removing the background. You see, it is perfectly removed the background. You can download it and we'll see that how it looks like. So this one is the final removed background remove image. So keep it on your desktop. So this is the image. So let us to see how it looks like, let us call it from Canva. Let us go for upload and let us upload the image. This one is the second one is the after the background removed. So let us open it. You see, now let's keep it here. You see, this is a final after the background removed. This is the original image. It looks like this black background is removed into white background, so there is no any background. So you can keep this image into some other backgrounds. The second one, let us go for the second image. Same procedure, upload image. Let us choose this one and open it. So it will remove the background in the same way like our previous image. You see, now let's download it. This is the image. Now let's copy it and just paste it in our desktop. So now let us, you see, this is the latest one. There is no background, but this is the original image with this light bluish background. So you can use this method to change to remove your background. This is the easiest method to remove background of your image. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.